So Jayne, you've been coming to Newman Springs Dental Care for a while now,
Yes.
and I know originally you told me that you just had some bad dental experiences. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
I've never had good teeth, so I've always needed some sort of dental, procedures, and I had a couple of, what would you call them, permanent, never surgery, but permanent bridges that caused me to have problems. I never was comfortable with the work that I had done. And then therefore, after a while, I did not go because I did not want to experience having to go through all that. But I got to a point where I needed to have something done. And when I found out about Newman Springs Dental, I had come 4 years prior, and you had done some work to relieve me of some issues, and that worked. But and I had a fear of dentists. One of the reasons why I decided to come to Newman Springs, other than recommendations as well, was the sedation. And I knew that for me, that's the only way that I would be able to have it taken care of. So I had the appointment. You did what you needed to do for me, and then I let it go. You had made a recommendation for me to go see a periodontal doctor. I chose to ignore that, and therefore what had happened was I got to a point where the periodontal disease had progressed so much even a periodontist couldn't help me. And then therefore I had a consultation with you, and you gave me the only option that was available to me, and I trusted you. I was comfortable. I knew I needed to have this done. I didn't want my teeth falling out of my head. And it was from that day forward that I have been in your care, and now I have this.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I love it. I can eat. During the process, I had a denture put in after you had removed my teeth and did some bone grafting surgery. And I had a denture hoping that I could have something more permanent. And you had given me a choice, saying potentially maybe I could have something like an implant done if the bone grafting would regenerate itself enough to hold it. And it did. And we went for having the total denture implanted, the top teeth, and now I can eat, I can smile, I can talk, I can go out, and I don't have any fear, any self-consciousness at all. I just feel so much better than the day I walked into this office.
That's great.
And here they are.
That's right. And you were never without teeth. I promised you you'd never be without teeth, no matter what.
The day that I had all my teeth extracted, I walked out of here with a full denture. So I was never, where I had to put a bag over my head or, wear a mask. And that was reassuring. But the denture was not for me. The implant was much better. The denture was fine. I could have lived with that. But I wanted something more permanent. And I was able to, through what you did, be able to get the implant, which now is permanent and will always be. So
that's right.
Even 10 years from now, 20 years from now, my teeth will always look like they do today.
Oh, well, you look terrific, Jayne, and
Thank you.
we really appreciate it.
I love you guys. You guys really have given me my life back. You really have, because for a whole year, I really was very self-conscious. I did not want to go out or socialize as much, and now I feel back to myself.
That's great.
And I can eat anything I want, which is good.
I know you called us a few hours later, and you were so excited.
I went home and I got a piece of Italian bread and then salami, and I ate that, and I was so thrilled to be able to eat that again.
That's great.
And everybody says it looks so natural, and it feels natural. So I'm so pleased.
Good deal. Thank you very much.
Best dentist.
Thank you.